Alrighty, can we shut that door? Cool. Alright.
So I take this out and I said I don't have this one.
No, I probably would have fallen over too.
Yeah.
Those scissor jacks are not very stable, especially in the grass. They fall over easily. And the last thing you want is to take the tire off and then it falls with the tire off. Alrighty. Right. Oh wow. And now he's not answering? Oh no. He got busy. Alright. They're all the same size. Yeah. I'm gonna pop the... Sorry? I mean, we go all over, but like Old St. Augustine Road area. But we go from like the Georgia line down the Palm Coast, out to McClenny out west. Wherever we gotta go.
I need to renew my AAA.
Oh, you used to have AAA?
Yeah.
I'll give you one of our cards.
So this is my son's car.
Uh-huh.
That's mine. I was driving mine. I have a Nissan Pathfinder.
Okay.
I hear every time I drive, this starts to buckle. My mechanic, the JP, off that.
Okay. Oh man.
And he said it's
The transmission?
so I transmission, and then when I take it, when it's finished, it starts to smoke. I'm like,
Oh no.
don't smoke, so I have to tow it home. It's engine and gasket kit.
They replaced the transmission, you said?
Yes.
Oh man.
So when they replace the transmission, it makes it start fighting.
Oh man. Another car problem. Wow. I said you got another car problem. The main thing is you don't want to go over like 50 miles per hour.